Busy workdays, no time to cook, but you still want to lose weight. Today I'm showing you fast workday meals for busy professionals who want real results. You start the day with good intentions, but meetings and emails take over and suddenly it's 2 p.m. and you haven't eaten. Grabbing the fastest option rarely helps your weight loss goals. The problem isn't willpower, it's not having a strategy that fits your schedule. Forget hours of meal prep. The key is using your limited time effectively. You need a toolkit of fast, simple, and satisfying meals you can make without thinking. Today, I'll show you 3 go-to workday meals that take minutes, require minimal cooking, and support weight loss. High in protein, packed with nutrients, and genuinely delicious, these are real meals for real busy lives. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Smoky Salmon Yogurt Crunch Bowl, a 5-minute no-cook meal that's a total lifesaver for anyone with a packed schedule. Whether you're running between meetings, working from home, or just need something nourishing in a hurry, this bowl is your new go-to. It's designed for busy people who want real food, real fast, without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Start with a generous cup of full-fat Greek yogurt. This isn't just a creamy base, it's loaded with protein to keep you full. And the healthy fats help provide steady, lasting energy. Greek yogurt is also packed with probiotics, which support your gut health and digestion, so you're fueling your body from the inside out. Next, layer on a few ounces of smoked salmon. Not only does it bring a delicious smoky flavor, but it's also a powerhouse of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for brain function, heart health, and keeping you feeling satisfied long after you eat. Plus, the salmon's rich, savory taste pairs perfectly with the tangy yogurt. Dice up a mini cucumber and toss it in for a burst of crunch and freshness. No need to peel, just chop and go. The cucumber adds hydration, fiber, and a crisp texture that makes every bite more interesting. It's a simple way to sneak in extra veggies, even on your busiest days. Squeeze a wedge of lemon over the top for a pop of brightness. The citrus not only wakes up all the flavors, but it also adds a dose of vitamin C, which helps your body absorb the iron from the salmon. It's a small step that makes a big difference in taste and nutrition. Now, sprinkle on a mix of pumpkin, sunflower, and chia seeds. These seeds bring a satisfying crunch, plus they're loaded with fiber, minerals, and more healthy fats. Chia seeds, in particular, are great for keeping you full and supporting heart health. This simple topping transforms your bowl into a nutrient powerhouse. Every ingredient in this bowl is chosen with intention to deliver maximum flavor, keep you full, and help you stay focused through the busiest parts of your day. It's a meal that works as hard as you do. This bowl is perfectly balanced. You get high-quality protein from both the yogurt and the salmon, healthy fats from the seeds and fish, and fiber from the cucumber and seeds. It's a combination that supports steady blood sugar, so you won't get that mid-afternoon crash. It's fast, it's deeply satisfying, and it keeps you energized and alert all afternoon. No more sluggishness or brain fog after lunch, just clean, sustained energy to power through your to-do list. Think about how this compares to grabbing a vending machine snack or a quick slice of pizza. Instead of empty calories and a sugar crash, you're getting real nourishment that actually supports your goals. This bowl wins every time, hands down. You'll notice the difference in how you feel. Clean, steady energy, no crash, and a clear mind to tackle whatever comes next. This bowl is proof that healthy, convenient food can taste absolutely amazing. The creamy yogurt, smoky salmon, crisp cucumber, and crunchy seeds create a flavor and texture combo that's genuinely crave-worthy. So next time you're hungry, pressed for time, and tempted to reach for something less nutritious, remember this bowl. In just 5 minutes you can have a meal that fuels your body and mind. It's more than just a meal, it's a tool for staying on track with your health, your energy, and your productivity. Even on the busiest days. No cooking, no fuss, no complicated steps, just real whole foods that work for your goals. You don't need to be a chef or have hours to spare to eat well. Take back control of your nutrition, even on your busiest days. With a little planning and the right ingredients, you can make healthy choices that fit your lifestyle. Fast food doesn't have to mean junk food. With this bowl, you get speed, convenience, and real nourishment all in one. This is how you eat for performance, for weight loss, and for feeling your best every single day. Give it a try and see how much better you feel, body and mind. Now, let's make a warm, savory meal for when you want something more substantial. The 7-minute veggie chicken skillet. This recipe is perfect for busy weeknights, late workdays, or any time you need a healthy, satisfying dinner in a hurry. It's a go-to for anyone who wants to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen or making a mess. Start by heating a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat and give it a quick spray of oil. This helps prevent sticking and keeps the meal light, with just enough fat to bring out the flavors. Next, add pre-cooked chicken strips. You can use store-bought rotisserie chicken, leftover grilled chicken, or meal prep chicken from earlier in the week. This shortcut saves time and ensures you're getting lean protein without any hassle. Then, toss in a couple cups of frozen stir-fry veggies. No thawing needed. Frozen vegetables are picked at their peak and flash frozen, so they're just as nutritious as fresh, and they make this meal incredibly convenient. Stir everything together over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes until the veggies are tender crisp and the chicken is heated through. The steam will help the vegetables cook quickly while keeping their vibrant color and crunch. For a burst of flavor, whip up a quick sauce. Combine a tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of garlic powder. You can also add a dash of chili flakes for heat or a splash of rice vinegar for tang, depending on your taste. Pour the sauce over the skillet and stir until everything's coated and glossy. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it hard to believe this meal comes together so quickly. That's it. Your meal is ready in minutes. Spoon it into a bowl and enjoy a colorful, nourishing dinner that looks and tastes like it took much longer to prepare. This dish is packed with lean protein from the chicken and fiber from the veggies, keeping you full and satisfied for hours. It's a balanced meal that supports your energy and your goals. The volume from the veggies tricks your brain and stomach into feeling full, while the protein helps maintain muscle and keeps cravings at bay. It's a smart way to eat more and weigh less. The best part? You control the ingredients. No hidden sugars, excess fats, or mystery additives. You know exactly what's going into your body, which is key for anyone watching their nutrition. And with just one pan, cleanup is a breeze. No mountain of dishes, no complicated steps, just a simple, wholesome meal that fits your life. When healthy eating is this easy, you'll actually look forward to making dinner. It's a routine you can stick with, even on your busiest days. Remember, consistency is what drives weight loss, not perfection. It's about making good choices most of the time, not stressing over every detail. Meals like this make healthy choices the default, not the exception. You'll find yourself reaching for nutritious options because they're just as quick and tasty as takeout. Build habits that last, even on your busiest nights. With recipes like this, you'll always have a plan for dinner, no matter how hectic your schedule gets. This is how you make weight loss sustainable. By creating meals that are fast, filling, and enjoyable, so you never feel deprived or overwhelmed. The 7-minute veggie chicken skillet is proof that healthy eating can be simple, delicious, and always ready when you are. Give it a try, and see how easy it is to nourish your body and stick to your goals, one skillet at a time. For meal 3, let's dive into a high-protein option that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a quick dinner. Egg and cottage cheese protein toast. This recipe is a game changer for anyone who wants a meal that's both satisfying and incredibly easy to make. No matter how busy your schedule gets, start by using mostly egg whites. You can pour them straight from a carton for convenience or separate them from whole eggs yourself if you prefer. Egg whites are an excellent source of lean protein, which means you get all the muscle-building benefits without the extra fat or calories. Next, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and give it a light spray of oil. This keeps your meal low in fat while making sure nothing sticks. So, cleanup is a breeze. Pour the egg whites into the pan and let them cook gently. You want to avoid high heat so the eggs stay soft and creamy, not rubbery. When the eggs are about halfway set, add in half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese. This not only boosts the protein content, but also adds a creamy texture and a subtle tang. Toss in a handful of fresh spinach for a pop of color, extra nutrients, and fiber. Gently fold everything together with a spatula. The cottage cheese will melt slightly, making the eggs extra creamy, while the spinach wilts down and blends in perfectly. This step only takes a minute or two, but it transforms the dish into something special. While your eggs are finishing up, toast a slice of whole grain bread. Whole grains provide complex carbohydrates, which give you steady energy and help keep you full for hours. Plus, the nutty flavor of the toast pairs perfectly with the creamy eggs. Once the toast is ready, spoon the egg, cottage cheese and spinach mixture right on top. The warmth of the eggs will slightly soften the bread, creating a delicious, open-faced sandwich that's both hearty and healthy. Finish by seasoning your toast. A sprinkle of black pepper adds a classic kick while red pepper flakes bring a bit of heat. Or, try everything bagel seasoning for a savory, crunchy twist that takes the flavor to the next level. In just a few minutes, you've created a meal that's packed with both fast and slow-digesting protein, plus complex carbs and fiber. It's a balanced combination that fuels your body and keeps you satisfied whether you're heading into a busy workday or recovering after a workout. This combo is designed to crush hunger and keep cravings at bay. The high-protein content helps you feel full, while the fiber from the spinach and whole grain bread supports digestion and long-lasting energy. Best of all, this meal takes almost no effort to prepare and cleanup is minimal. You don't need fancy equipment or a lot of time, just a few simple ingredients and a pan. When healthy meals are this easy and delicious, you'll find yourself making better choices more often, almost without thinking about it. The key is to build a system of go-to recipes like this one, meals that support your goals by default, so you're always prepared to eat well, even on your busiest days. This protein toast is a prime example. It's simple, fast, and perfectly designed for busy professionals who want to eat for performance and health. With a structure like this in place, you don't need to rely on motivation or willpower. Healthy eating becomes automatic, and you always have a nutritious option ready to go. Eat for performance, let your meals do the heavy lifting, and watch how much easier it becomes to stay on track with your goals, one delicious high-protein toast at a time. There you have it, 3 fast, healthy meals for busy workdays. You don't need hours in the kitchen to eat well and lose weight. These recipes prove convenience and health can go hand in hand. The real secret? Consistency. Making healthy choices easy, every day. With meals like these, you remove the barriers that derail progress. Every small, healthy meal is a step toward your goals. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy workday weight loss recipes. Stay focused, stay healthy, stay Slimsync.